How to fix DoorDash merchant not available. To fix the DoorDash merchant not available error, first of all, you have to go ahead and change to pickup mode. So go ahead and launch the application, and then you simply have to now go ahead and change the pickup mode by simply opening any of the store from the available options. Once you open their page, you simply have to toggle your checkout cart from delivery to pickup. If the menu unlocks, you can drive to fetch it yourself, or you can also modify your delivery timings and try to flush your location settings as well. And lastly, try to clear your application's cache. Open your device's app gallery, locate the DoorDash application icon. Once you find it, go ahead and long press it, then tap this app info panel, scroll down to the storage and cache, then tap on this clear cache option. Once you do this, all the corrupted files should be removed. Now simply relaunch it and your problem should be fixed. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.